Hi everyone and welcome to Coffee with Nadia. Today I'm making this beautiful Dollar Tree Easter wreath. If you want to see how I made it, please stand by. For this project you're going to need chenille wires, any color will do, a metal wreath form, and 6 rolls of deco mesh, whatever colors that you choose. For the centerpiece of this wreath, I used this beautiful basket I got at the Dollar Tree. Before we get started, I'm just going to show you a little tip that I use to save time when I'm making wreaths. Now, when I'm watching TV with my husband or just bored or just not really productive, I grab my deco mesh and I sit there and just cut it up. Then when I'm ready to make a wreath, it's all ready. I have all of these cut up, and as you see, here's a before and after. I just wrap it up with a little ribbon, just layer it. It's nice, folded, and ready to go. I'm going to be cutting my deco mesh into about 6-inch strips. If you want to make them, you can also do 10 or 12. That is up to you, but keep in mind that the longer your strips are, the more deco mesh you are going to need. Now I'm just going to continue this process with the rest of the deco mesh. I used 2 pinks, 2 whites, and 2 purples for this project. Here I'm just cutting my chenille wires in half with these wire cutters. I just feel like you don't need the whole chenille wire. Half a wire is more than you need. Now it's time to make the deco mesh bundles. I'm going to grab 1 of each color for a total of 3 deco mesh pieces for each bundle. I grab first piece, roll it in, and then put it between my ring finger and my middle finger. Then I'm doing the same thing with the second one, rolling it and also putting it between my fingers. And then when I'm done rolling my third piece, I grab a chenille wire, wrap it around my deco mesh bundle, and twist it 2 or 3 times nice and tight. And just like that, with the magic of YouTube, they are all done. The metal wreath form at the Dollar Tree comes in 4 layers. You got the first, second, third, and fourth. You can either use first and third, second and fourth, or second and third row for a nice condensed wreath. I will be using the first and the third row for this project because my centerpiece is on the smaller side. I like to start putting my deco mesh bundles where you see the metal wreath ring and the stabilizer wire meeting. Besides the bundles that will go on the metal stabilizers, I will also attach 3 of the bundles on the first row and 4 in the third row of each section. I'm starting each section by putting a bundle on each stabilizer corner, and then I'm filling in each row. Now it's time to get my beautiful Dollar Tree ribbon, and we're going to cut it into 8-inch strips. Now I'm taking my wired ribbon, making a loop, overlapping it about 1 inch, and then I had some leftover chenille wires that I used to bring each strip together. I did this for the rest of the strips I had. The next thing I did was laid out each of the loops on the wreath where I thought it looked good. Now I'm proceeding to attach the loops to the wreath. I'm not concerned which ring I'm attaching them to, as long as they look good in the spot that I placed them. It's now time to attach the basket to the wreath. I'm using 2 full-length chenille wires and looping them in the back at each side of the basket. Now I'm just attaching the basket to the metal wreath form. When I finished with the wreath, I just thought the bow on the little basket was missing something. So I removed the center plastic part of the bow and I found this cute little button. I thought the pink color kind of worked the best with the colors and decided to just hot glue it right in the middle. And here's the finished project hanging on my front door. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. If you like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to find me on Instagram at Coffee with Nadia. I will talk to you soon. Bye!